So a lot of the times, as you can see, I have a bunch of cords right here. These do not have blocks. They did not come with blocks. So I'm always constantly having to change out the blocks of everything. So not only that, my phone charges very slow if I have a regular box. So I got this power box, and it is a Pixel power box. So not only is it going to make charging my phone a lot quicker, but it's also going to have multiple different outlets, and it's going to have a clock on it. So let's go ahead and open this up. So this is what it looks like. I am going to plug it into this extension cord right here. So I have it plugged in, and it's already showing me the clock. So since this is USB-C, I will not need that cord, and I will not need this cord. The only cord I will need is one that has USB-C both ends. So all I'm going to do is plug this in, and then all I have to do is charge my phone. The good thing about this is that it has 3 different areas, so you can charge 3 different things with these. I really like this, and as you can see, it's still lighting up. And then this button right here is just going to change the pixels right here. So if you're tired of having a slow charger, then this definitely is a great choice. It is also going to make charging every other device that you have a lot faster and easier. So this definitely is a good choice. I'm Kinsey, and I'll see you next time.